Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Radha Mother channel. Sindhu here. Today we are going to see a beautiful Krishna Katha. Right? Let's see what is today's Krishna Katha. The topic is Great Devotee Story. The story revolves around like a transcendental cheater Krishna himself came to protect the devotee. Wow! Let's go to the story. Let's start with a small prayer. Nama Om Vishnu Padhaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravan Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pasyatya Deshatarini. Hare Krishna. There once used to be a Baba, right? A saintly person, okay, in Mathura, who performed Archana of his Shaligram Shila with great love. He did not have complete knowledge of the various limbs of the Archana, but whatever Archana he performed, he did with love. He had taken an oath to bathe in Yamuna river every day during Brahma Muhurta and to worship his Shaligram with Yamuna water only. Once on the Amavasai, a new moon day in the month of Magha, right? The cold winter month from mid-January to mid-February, it rained the entire night and a heavy cold wind blew. On that pitch dark morning, he had no idea of the time because no stars were visible in the sky. He woke long before the Brahma Muhurta hour and set out to take his bath. Although Yamuna's water were as cold as ice and he was shivering due to the extreme cold, he nevertheless took bath just to maintain his oath. He then started back for his home, carrying the Yamuna water for his worship. He faced severe difficulty because of the dense darkness, heavy rains, and the weak condition of his shivering body. He was anxiously wondering how it would be possible to return home to worship his deity. And suddenly he saw somebody holding a lantern and coming towards him. As the person came closer, he saw it was a young boy carrying a blanket on his head to protect him from the rain. Coming close to the Baba, the boy asked, "Baba, where are you going?" When the man told him where he lived, the boy said, "I am also going that way. Come with me, I will take you to your house." He started walking with that boy and reached his house very quickly. Just as he was about to enter, he thought, "Let me ask this boy his name." But what a wonder! The Baba could not see him anywhere around. He looked all around, but there was no trace of him. Standing there like a stone, he lamented, "Alas, the Chalya, transcendental cheater, Krishna himself came to protect my oath, and upon cheating me, he has gone away." Right? Baba said. How beautiful story, right? My dear friends and devotees, what do you understand from this Katha? Right? How the Lord protects his devotees, right? Unlimited benefits, right? When we devote our time to Supreme Father, right? What are the, with love and devotion, right? How auspicious one becomes, right? With love and devotion, those who worship Lord Shri Krishna, right? I'm very teary-eyed after listening to this. Hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Meet you all with another beautiful topic and stories. Until then, Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhu Bhayevacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.